It's October 5th, and probably you've watched other videos by now, but here's the reality. Only 85 days remain before this year ends. Let me ask you something. Are you actually following through on what you decided after watching those videos? If the answer is yes, then great. You don't even need this one. But if the answer is no, then hear me clearly. You've been making empty promises to yourself, just like mayors before elections, full of talk, but no action. Now, for those who really want to change, get this into your head. 85 days, that's all. And let's be honest, you're probably not where you wanted to be by now. Don't worry, I'm not judging you. I'm not above you. Because, I'll admit it, I've fallen behind too. Behind on my videos, behind on my studies. I know what it feels like to look back at the year and think, I could have done more. But here's the difference. We still have time. Not a lot, but enough. 85 days. That's our winter arc, the final chapter before this year closes. And if you use these days with focus, discipline, and hunger, you'll walk into next year with momentum most people can only dream of. And I'm not saying this just to hype you for a moment. I'm saying this because I'm doing it too. This isn't just your challenge, it's ours. I'm stepping into this winter arc with you. Most people will waste October, November, December. They will say, I will start in January. Fresh year, fresh start. But you know what that really means? It means they're going to be the same person in January as they are right now. But imagine this. While they're sleeping in, scrolling, wasting these months, you are grinding. You are building your body, sharpening your focus, creating habits that stick. Imagine walking into January already stronger, already sharper, already ahead. That's the power of this winter arc. 85 days is enough to change your rhythm, enough to make progress in fitness, in studies, in building success routines. Not a total transformation, but enough to build the foundation that changes your life. In this winter arc, we will focus on 3 things only. These 3 things are the main focus of your life. Let's begin. First things first, your body. I don't care if you're a student, a gamer, or someone who has never touched a dumbbell, your body sets the tone for your mind. If your body feels drained, your mind won't stay sharp. And no, you don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment. Push-ups, sit-ups, squats, running, stretching. Start where you are, just 20 minutes a day. That's it. Every rep is you telling your brain, I'm in control. Every drop of sweat is proof that you're building discipline. And here's the truth. When your body feels active, your mind follows. You'll study better, focus sharper, and carry yourself with more confidence. And no, you won't transform completely in 85 days, but you will see progress in the mirror. You will feel more energy, and that energy will flow into everything else you do. Now, let's talk about studies. Most of you listening to me are students, and I know what it feels like. Assignments, exams, pressure from family, and when you fall behind, the stress multiplies. But listen to me, 2 to 4 hours of focused study, daily for the next 85 days, that's enough to cover the ground you thought was impossible. Use the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of deep focus, 5 minutes of break. Cut out distractions. Mute the phone, lock the apps, stop scrolling while pretending to study. These 85 days, they're not about perfect marks. They're about showing yourself what happens when you focus. Imagine walking into your exams in January knowing you gave everything in these last 3 months. Imagine the confidence of saying, I'm ready because I didn't waste my winter arc. Here's the third pillar, your habits. What you do daily is who you become, and most of us, we're slaves to our own bad routines. Scrolling at night, waking up tired, wasting the morning on nonsense. It's time to flip the script. For 85 days, build routines that actually serve you. The morning routine, wake up early, no phone for the first 30 minutes. The night routine, reflect, plan tomorrow, sleep on time. And the most important thing is to daily spend 5 minutes journaling or scripting. Write your goals as if they're already real. Train your brain to believe in them. And here's a golden rule. Replace I will do it later with I will do it now. That one mindset shift will transform your year. Think of your life like anime arcs. Naruto had training arcs. Goku had hyperbolic time chambers. Every hero disappears for a while, trains in silence, and then comes back unstoppable. That's you right now, no spotlight, no applause. Just you, in silence, stacking wins. People won't notice today, but let January come, they'll look at you and think, what the hell happened? How did they change so much? But you'll know. You trained in your winter arc. You showed up when others coasted. And let me remind you, this isn't me preaching from above. I told you, I am behind too. Behind on my work, behind on my studies. So I'm making a pact right now. From today, October 5th, for the next 85 days, I am committing. Fitness, study, habits, no excuses. And I want you in with me. Say it with me. From today, October 5th, for the next 85 days, I am committing. Fitness, study, habits, no excuses. If you're serious, type this in the comments right now. Count me in this winter arc. Don't just say it in your head. Write it, claim it, own it. Let's do this together. Let's go.